go. Hello, welcome back to the Firenzecolor classroom. Our demonstration today is Teodorico. Teodorico is a matte, rocky, it's like a keystone look. Very beautiful. It's two-coat process. You're gonna need your stainless steel trowel. Very important. I have two trowels, one for my rough stuff and one for the smooth stuff. This is rough stuff. This will actually connect the trowel, so you need your rough trowel. First coat application, top of forensic primer. You're gonna just slap it on there, nice and smooth. Of course, try to do long strokes so you can knock it out pretty quick. Always control the product from your trowel. That's your first coat application. Now, because it's a texture product, normally sometimes you get chatter, okay? And with the primer underneath that has quartz inside of it, you get chatter sometimes. When this is about like 80% dry, we come back with this sponge trowel, we damp it a little bit, and we come back to float it out to take away the chatter marks that you get because of the sand, okay? When this dries, it's gonna look like this. Very simple. Don't forget, anything with lime dries from 40% lighter to 50% lighter. It all depends, 30%. Now, second coat application, you're gonna slap it on. Don't compress yet. Don't put too much muscle on it yet. No pressure, just put it on normal, okay? Okay. Now, if this was a real wall, you're going to be doing 3 feet at a time, 4 feet at a time. You're going to stop and come back, and now you're going to put pressure to make it a lot smooth. If you start making it like compressing right away, you're going to have too much movement, and the customer is not going to like it. The proper way of doing it, so you slap it on, come back, clean it. If you see, now you can see all the different metals and different things that the material has. Clean it. Clean it. Clean it. Clean it. Now, if you get a chatter because you went that direction, go back to a different direction. You clean it. Clean it. And that's it. Basically, now it's nice and smooth, and now you can keep moving forward. Sometimes what we do when it becomes dry, we get like a plastic bag and we start rubbing it so it creates friction, and it makes all the silver flakes or gold flakes pop out more. This is basically a two-coat process. This is a matte Venetian plaster that looks like a stone look. If you notice, it's very easy to do, but customers really like this look. Thank you again for watching the Firenzecolor classroom.